Hi there, welcome back to Inbound Tutorials. I am Rosie and I'm excited to explore how you can use an ebook to improve content creation through different stages of the buyer's journey and inbound strategy. To understand the stages of the buyer's journey and inbound methodology, please refer to our previous videos. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Electronic book, ebook. As the world continues to become more digital, ebooks have become an increasingly popular way for businesses to provide valuable information to their audience. An ebook or electronic book is a non-editable text that is converted into a digital format and displayed and read on an electronic device, such as a tablet or smartphone. Unlike other texts that can be read on a device, an ebook is not editable. Ebooks can be used as a powerful tool in the inbound methodology, which focuses on attracting, engaging, and delighting customers through valuable content. In this video, we will explore how to use an ebook in the inbound methodology. Attract. Creating an ebook as a lead magnet. The first stage of the inbound methodology is attracting potential customers to your website or social media platforms. One of the most effective ways to do this is by offering a valuable resource that solves a problem or answers a question that your audience has. This is where an ebook can come in. Create an ebook that provides valuable information that your target audience is searching for. For example, if you're a marketing agency, you could create an ebook on the ultimate guide to social media marketing for small businesses. This would attract small business owners who are looking to improve their social media marketing efforts. Convert. Using ebooks to generate leads. Once you have attracted potential customers to your website or social media platforms, the next step is to convert them into leads. One way to do this is by using ebooks as a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a valuable resource that you offer in exchange for a person's contact information, usually their email address. To convert visitors into leads using your ebook, you can create a landing page that highlights the benefits of your ebook and offers it as a free download in exchange for the visitor's contact information. Make sure to include a clear call to action and a simple form that asks for their name and email address. Close. Using ebooks to nurture leads. Once you have converted visitors into leads, the next step is to nurture them and move them closer to becoming a customer. You can use your ebook as a way to continue providing value to your leads and nurture them along the buyer's journey. Create an email nurture campaign that sends helpful content related to your ebook to your leads. For example, if your ebook is about social media marketing for small businesses, you could send your leads articles about social media marketing, tips for creating a social media strategy, and case studies of businesses that have had success with social media marketing. Delight. Using ebooks to provide ongoing value. The final stage of the inbound methodology is delighting your customers. Your ebook can continue to provide value even after someone becomes a customer. You can use your ebook as a way to upsell or cross-sell your products or services, or you can offer it as a bonus for loyal customers. For example, if you're a marketing agency and you offer a social media management service, you could offer your ebook as a bonus for clients who sign up for a certain package or have been a client for a certain amount of time. In conclusion, ebooks can be a powerful tool in the inbound methodology. By using ebooks to attract potential customers, generate leads, nurture leads, and provide ongoing value, you can create a valuable resource that helps you attract, engage, and delight your target audience. Remember to focus on providing value and solving problems for your audience, and you will see success with your ebook in the inbound methodology. I hope this video helps you to develop engaging ebook content to provide insights and strategies for effectively attracting, converting, closing, and delighting customers. I am Rosie with Optimerkt Consulting, your premier inbound marketing strategy authority. Like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.